Once upon a time, there was a taxi driver named Tom. Tom was known in his town for being very honest. He always told the truth and never cheated anyone. People trusted him because they knew he would never take advantage of them. One day, a passenger named Sarah got into Tom's taxi. Sarah was in a hurry to get to the airport to catch her flight. She was carrying a bag full of valuable items, including her passport and money. As they were driving to the airport, Sarah realized that she had left her bag behind at the previous place she visited. She panicked and asked Tom to turn around and go back so she could retrieve her bag. Tom listened carefully to Sarah's story and noticed how worried she was. Instead of taking advantage of the situation and driving her back to get her bag, Tom reassured Sarah that he would help her. Tom decided to drive Sarah to the airport first so she wouldn't miss her flight. Then, he promised to go back and find her bag for her. Sarah was relieved and grateful for Tom's kindness. After dropping Sarah off at the airport, Tom kept his promise. He went back to the place where Sarah had left her bag and found it exactly where she had forgotten it. He returned the bag to Sarah just in time for her flight. Sarah was amazed by Tom's honesty and thanked him profusely. She even gave him a generous tip as a token of her appreciation. Tom smiled warmly and accepted the tip, knowing that he had done the right thing. From that day on, Sarah always remembered Tom as the honest taxi driver who went above and beyond to help her in her time of need. And Tom continued to be known in his town as the honest driver who never let anyone down. In the end, Tom's honesty and integrity not only earned him the trust and respect of his passengers, but also brought him satisfaction and pride in knowing that he had made a positive difference in someone's life.